Most people choose insurance based on price alone. But here's the surprising truth. The cheapest policy often costs the most when something goes wrong. Today I'm giving you an honest review of Zurich Insurance. Zurich Insurance is a global insurance provider offering coverage for health, life, travel, car, home, and business needs. It operates in many countries and serves millions of customers worldwide. The sign-up process depends on the type of insurance, but generally includes selecting coverage, entering personal details, and receiving a quote. Most people get this wrong. But insurance is not about paying less now. It's about receiving more when you need it. Zurich is known for strong claim reliability. You won't believe what happens next. Many users report faster payouts compared to smaller providers. The customer portal is well designed. You can manage policies, submit claims, and track progress online. In my experience, communication was clear and professional. Claims were processed accurately, although not always instantly. Now the downsides. Zurich premiums are usually higher than budget providers. Some plans include complex terms that require careful reading. Customer support quality can vary by region. So who should use Zurich? It's ideal for people who prioritize reliability and long-term security. But if your main goal is lowest monthly cost, other providers may be cheaper. The surprising truth about Zurich is that it's not built for savings. It's built for protection. And protection only matters when things go wrong. If this review helped you think smarter about insurance, subscribe for more honest financial insights before signing long-term contracts.